Alright, so for today the site we'll be talking about is respondent.io, and I'm just gonna quickly show you how to sign up. All you need to do is to search respondent.io. So now the page is downloading, and you can see two options. The first option is find participants, and second option is get paid. So we want to actually work and not get workers, so we're definitely clicking get paid. Alright, so all you need to do is to input your first name. Let's say first name is Thomas, my last name is James. So now you are signed up, and the next thing you need to do is to profile yourself, and by doing that, whatever you choose here will be the type of study that comes to your page. So let's say if I'm interested in finance, that I have a skill related to finance, I have a skill related to information technology, and a skill related to, let's say, gaming. You add them up and you click on apply.
Alright guys, so this is the interface of Respondent. Yeah, this icon by your left, you can see message icon. This is where you interact with clients for a particular project. Yeah, so you can see different interactions here. Then the next page is the project page. We see submitted screeners. We call it screeners. So you can see the total screeners I submitted are 445. So these are where you will see if you get picked or not. So the client goes through your own data and check if you are suitable for the project. If you are, you will be you'll be picked, and if you are not, that screener has gone. So this other part is for referral, if you care to refer anyone. And then the next part is the accounts. So you can see the account profile, account detail. Here you can see your name, email, and phone number. So now anytime you feel like you are not getting in tune with the kind of studies you would like to apply for, you just come to the topics section and you edit it. You click here, you edit it to the activities you're interested in, and then this other place you can add your skills. Like here you can see I added information extraction, information technology management, artificial intelligence system, and annotation. So these are things I can do, so it's here. On the other hand, you can see the gender, birth dates, ethnicity. I'm using African American or black, so I'm a black person. Education, if you are a degree holder, BSc, you put it. If you are a master degree holder, you put it, you include it. Here also you can include your social handles, your LinkedIn account, your Facebook account, Instagram, and GitHub. We'll go further to employment status. It's better you put employed, either part-time or full-time. So industries, computer software, information technology, and all that. And if you've worked with a company before, either by proxy or directly, you can include them. It will increase your visibility and possibility of getting picked for a project. So now there is one important area, which is your work email. As you can see here, my work email is included, and you can see info@finsense.site. Now the problem with this is that if you are not actively working with a company, you will not have a work email, so you have to create one, and the process is a bit pricey, because you need a domain and probably a host, but what you need the most is domain. So you can go to namecheap.com. if you now this is not it's not compulsory, but to increase your chance of getting studies, you can include a work email. Some study will strictly tell you that they need a work email for you to take a study. Yeah, so you go to namecheap.com, you buy a domain name. If you're buying a .site domain name, it's between $2 upwards. I don't know if the offer is still on, so you just check it out. And if you can't get .site, you can also get some other type, and .xyz, whatever the case may be. But .site is and it's not all extension of domain name that will be seen as something legit. So just know the type. They have .com, .ng, and all, but .site is a bit cheaper, so you can get it, and through there you can get your work email. It's either called work email or business email. So that's that for that. Now let me just show you guys how to apply for a project. This is a project, and you can see this is a district and administrator, ED tech, purchasing workflow and implementation. Looking at this, I am not really qualified for this role. The next one is right use case. Using 2 Docker every day can look very different from person to person. share how you use yours, including both the positive and negative challenges. Now, if I am using a two-door car, then I should be able to apply to this. So now I will be applying for this one. So you click on it, and now here is something I made mention of. They say you are missing out on higher incentive. Your work email must be verified every 90 days to apply to professional project. So this seems to be a professional project, and what they require is for you to have your work email. And if you skip for now, you will not be able to do it. My work email was added, but I need to verify it every 90 days, which I've not done. I'll be doing that later. So now the next one is family snacking and beverage habit study. Now this is also applicable to me because of course I take snack and beverage. So you click on start screener. Are you a parent of legal guardian of at least one child under 18 years? I'm gonna click yes because that's what's on my profile. Now all they want to know is if you have a child, or if you have a child you are responsible for that is under the age of 18. And of course here you can see the age bracket listed above. You choose the ones that is applicable to you. Most of the times, all this, when it comes to beverage, it goes from children of 8 years old, children of 3 years old down up to children of 17 years old. So that's usually the target when it comes to beverage. Each of these describes your total annual household income before tax. So you can see mostly they go for the average living minimum wages, and that should be around 100,000. Which of the following type of beverage do you purchase for your children? Like I said here, the target is not actually you but your children, but of course you are the one who purchases those things, so they will have to get the data through you. So just click on things you buy for your children, or you can buy for a child, and then which of the following best describe your approach to choosing food and best. Okay, so you just go through it and look at what you prioritize. Now they're asking for the retailers which you shop from. You just go for the popular retail brands, Whole Foods. Now they say this study includes video survey. You will be asked to share your thoughts on camera. Do you agree to participate with your camera? You simply agree, and then you submit your. Alright, that's all. This is how you apply for a study on Respondent. So normally new accounts have minimum of 5 submission per day. You can only apply for 5 study per day, but for me, you can see, let me click here so I'll show you something. You can see that I have 9 screeners left, which means I have a total of 10 screeners, and that is because I've been with the site for a while, and I have been getting studies. I have been doing tax and getting paid, so they increased mine to 10 screeners. So I think this is a wrap. I've gone through all the detailed areas of this platform. Now for payment, you get paid via Tremondes. There is a platform called Tremondos, and that's where you get your payment from. You're getting paid in gift card or PayPal. So whatever the case may be, you can choose if you want PayPal, gift card, and Visa card. So that will be all for now. Try it out and see if it works for you.